things. Here at E.C.D, we build quality trucks, and we don't take no for an answer. What's going on? My name's Zachary Griffith. I've worked here at E.C.D for about a year and a half. I'm a pre-assembly technician over in cosmetics, and I love what I do every day.
Our culture is crazy, but when you get down to it, it's really about quality. It's about pride in your work. It's about the details and about making the best product that we can build.
Our culture here at E.C.D is really f***ed up, excuse my French, but we have the mindset of don't try to hide it under the carpet because it will get brought up. Deal with your shit, and don't take no for an answer. Fight for what you think is right, and make sure you get what you want at all times. Depending if you're the lowest guy here or one of the owners, you have every right to challenge everybody here, and that's something you don't see in small businesses. We have the option to challenge any single one of the owners, and any one of the owners has the right to challenge us. So it's kind of like a war. It's kind of like a warfare where we're at, but it's very helpful and beneficial to make our trucks the best in the world.
E.C.D is different from a normal job in the sense that every day I face challenges. I work with my hands, which is really exciting. And I mean, I work on really cool trucks that, you know, nobody really has the opportunity to work on. I mean, I'm only 21, and a lot of my friends, you know, are in school and, you know, working other jobs that they're not necessarily interested in, but every day I come to work, it's something new, it's a cool experience, and I know that every day is going to be different.
The difference between E.C.D and any other job, in my experience, is where I used to work, I was only doing sewing. Here I'm doing multiple things, from cutting leather, cutting foam, stitching, putting the seats together, maybe some painting, everything. There's a lot of work that you're not stuck doing only one thing.
We have more reign to do what needs to be done on the vehicle, which ends up as a much higher quality vehicle in the end.
Every single time when we finish a truck is when we feel like, wow, it's a great moment. Just when we see the truck running out of the building, it's like it was a good job. It's a good job. It's going to be a better job next day.
I think a super memorable moment for me here at E.C.D was during the World Cup when we had the soccer pool, and we saw Tom in these short shorts just stretching out in the parking lot with this crazy wig, and it was just the funniest thing.